Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don't hate the conduct of Edo State People's Democratic Party PDP 3 ad hoc World Congresses election for delegates for the 2024 governorship primary election and said the conduct of the ad hoc World Congresses across the state they peaceful and credible and say it shows the People's Democratic Party PDP na well-organized political party. Oga Obaseki talked this one for a talk with Tori people after 3 delegates come out as winners for the PDP World Congress election for Ward 4 Oredo local government. A talk say clearly from the turnout, it shows that the people they interested for the forthcoming Edo governorship election and said this Ward 4 na in ward and said them get 3 delegates from the 10 nominations where them nominate to represent them as delegates for the primaries to select the flag bearer of the party for the September 21st, 2024 governorship election. A talk say PDP na best organized party for Naija in terms of administration and say you no fit beat PDP sake of say in don dey the two party wey be APC and PDP.
Clearly from the turnout, you can tell that our people are very, very interested in this election. As you know, this is my ward, Ward 4, and there were, I believe, almost 10 nominations to represent us as delegates in the primaries for selecting the flag bearer for our party for the September 21st election. 3 of the delegates presented themselves this morning, and you can see from the turnout in this ward, this is not a crowd that was rented, this is a crowd that resides in this community, and they all know each other. And you can see from the turnout how impressive it has been, and that it was quite deliberate. They know the people they are sending to represent them and to make the decision as to who the candidate for PDP will be in the next gubernatorial elections. As I've always said, PDP is the best organized party in this country. I've been in 2 parties, so I know. And from what I have seen in terms of the administration of a party, you cannot beat PDP. They have very laid down processes. They follow the constitutions clearly. Of course, in any election or in electoral process, there are bound to be interests, competing interests that will want to have look for ways to get dominance over the other. But at the end of the day, the process here is being followed. The members of the National Working Committee who are assigned to these tasks came on time. Came in yesterday with the materials. I understand that in all the wards across the state, all 192 wards, the same exercise that's going on here is taking place simultaneously. In fact, many of them, I understand, have even completed their nominations. So I'm pleased. I'm impressed with what has happened. Of course, not everybody is going to be, okay with the process. If you know how it is. If you don't have your way, then the tendency is to try and castigate and tear down and run down the process. But it's clear, as 500 people in one ward coming to elect who will represent them. You can't. The evidence is there.
Chief of Staff to Edo State Governor Honorable Sagbavo Iyoha wey vote for Oredo Ward 2, talk said the crowd they huge and it shows a PDP na united party and party to beat.
PDP is the party to beat in Edo, and it shows that we have a united PDP. Most of the people here are the people we met when we were coming from APC in 2020, and then those that came out with us from APC to join the PDP. So we have a mix of everybody here.
Enugu State Governor and Chairman Edo State 3 ad hoc World Congress Electoral Committee Peter Mbafo in talk with 3 people talk say the people turnout they very high and the process they free, fair and credible. A talk say,
first of all, let's start by expressing our profound gratitude to the National Working Committee of our great party, PDP, for finding us worthy and to assign this very crucial and important assignment to us, the Edo State 3 Ad Hoc World Congress. We came in here, arrived, went to pay a courtesy visit to the governor, and then met with the party chairman, who gave us a robust briefing of the plans on the ground. And we also, myself, as the chairman of the committee, the electoral committee, and my colleague members we went to a number of wards where we found out that the turnout was huge and the process was free, fair, and credible.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisole, TMC TV News.